Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer where you're unable to access a shared folder because of your organization's security policies. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Regedit, Regedit. Best match should come back a Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. So, we're ready to begin. Start off by double-clicking on the HKey local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Same thing for current control set. Same thing for services. And then go down to LAN man workstation. And if you need to pause the video at this time to take note of our file path, it's up at the top of the screen. Each backslash is a different subfolder or subkey we went under to get to this point. Double click on LAN workstation, and there should be a parameters folder. Just left click on that. And then finally on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then select the word 32-bit value. Name this allow insecure guest AUTH. Again, allow insecure guest AUTH. First letter of each word should be capitalized, and hit enter. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and double click on it. And you want to set the value data to 1, so delete the 0, type the number 1, select OK. And now you will need to close out of the registry editor and proceed to restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. Hopefully I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.